5 creative ideas to renovate your bathroom. Hello friends, today we will talk about 5 creative ideas to renovate your bathroom. Home improvement is a fun thing to do, however, it is even greater fun once you decide what part of your home you want to renovate. In the case of bathrooms, one will always want them to be comfortable and reflect their personality. However, apart from that, it's equally significant that it has the proper fixtures and amenities that are useful in providing function and value. If you are stuck in figuring out exactly what to change, then at the end of this video, you will have a handful of creative ideas to renovate your space. Change the flooring. The flooring of any room plays a necessary part in the design of the room. In a restroom, however, it's significant to be sure that the floor is not simply trendy but also practical. Ceramic tile is one amongst the simplest choices for bathroom flooring. It can fit in almost any style test. It's waterproof, easy to clean. One of the most important factors to consider here is that you don't need to spend a lot of money on flooring. Increase storage. The most important reason for renovating a bathroom is to produce more storage. During the renovation, one must keep in mind that every inch can be used. You can insert high shelves to place items that you simply don't need on a daily basis, like extra rolls of toilet paper or some additional towels for guests. To make your restroom trendy and pleasant, attach a book rack to one of the walls. This would also clear up floor and counter space. Upgrade shower. After a tiring day, all you need is a hot shower to relax. So upgrading a shower is one of the most significant steps while renovating a bathroom. You should try to invest in walk-in showers as they are becoming more popular day by day. You can add color to your bathroom by inserting colorful shower tiles. Update the vanity. The sink vanity is the most used item and the center of attention in your bathroom. You can give your bathroom a whole new look by changing the countertop or arranging the vanity in a new order. You can also hang a framed mirror on top of the sink to create a fun vibe in your bathroom. Add some color to your wall. The walls of the bathroom play an important part in the look and vibe of the room. It is not mandatory to have only black and white color walls. You can always add some excitement to your walls by using different types of paint styles. If you are not inquisitive about repainting your bathroom, you may hang up paintings, pictures, motivational quotes, or maybe framed posters to feature a personal touch of the room. The bottom line: there are endless possibilities when it comes to renovating. You can always add your personal touch and renovate your bathroom according to your personality. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to the Engineer Ajalor channel, How to Make Home.